Hi, today in front of me XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked successfully. Device was just without any problems with a touch on the fingerprint scanner. But if you make it with a simple touch, you have no chance to unlock your device. Just you should hold it for a while. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.